Another type of question is a choice question. Choice question shares many things with the question, such that it needs a question text and an answer, and then it also needs to verify whether the response is a correct answer or not. Also, it needs to be presented using display method call. So since many things are common with the choice question and the question, so we are going to design choice question as a subclass of a question class. So in the model, let's define choice question class. And choice question is a subclass of a question class. Then choice question shares text and answer and all those methods are there. But however, we notice that we need to display question text as well as the choices. So the display method is different. So we need to override the display method. At this moment, choice question is an error because if we don't give any constructor at all, it assumes the default constructor, and the default constructor calls the superclass is a default constructor which is not present. Because of that, it's an error. So let's define a constructor. Choice question takes question text and then answer there. So those ones are in superclass there. And then choice question should have more than those two text and answer because it needs to provide a list of choices. So let's define array list. Choices are also in terms of strings, choices there. So let's create array list is from java.util, and then choices. Let's create array list there. Then choice question, we need to provide a method to add choices. So public void add choice string C, then onto the choices we add the choices. Choices will be 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Then we need to override display method because we need to display, in addition to question and question, we need to display the list of choices. So the displaying the question text we have already done in a superclass question, so we can utilize that. So to call the same display method in superclass, so we use a keyword super display. Then this is a questions class display, which is displaying question text only, and then we need to display the list of choices. We are going to give a number for each choice. So number begins with 1, and then have enhanced for loop, and each element in the choices we are going to display with a tab after the text question on next line, and then give a number, and then give a dot, and then the actual choice text string there. And then we need to increment a number there. So that's the model for choice question, and then let's test it in the next video.